Assalamualaikum. Today I am going to show you how to make Kashmiri Charwan. This is a very basic recipe that I am going to show you. Before moving ahead, I would like to inform you all that I have a Kashmiri and Urdu channel where I keep uploading videos in Urdu and Kashmiri language. Do check them out. I'll be leaving a link in the description box. Charwan means lamb liver in Kashmiri. It's one of the famous delicacies and it's cooked with many varieties that I'll be showing you in future. Today I'm going to show you a very basic recipe of Charwan, how we can cook Charwan at home. Eid is around the corner, so you can try this recipe with Charwan or lamb liver at home, because a lot of Qurbani, everyone does Qurbani. So let's get started. See, I have taken half a kg of Charwan or lamb liver that I have washed many times properly under running water so that the blood and all the impurities go away. Oil around 4 tablespoons, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, ginger garlic paste 1.5 teaspoon, garam masala 1 teaspoon, saunf powder 1 teaspoon, dry ginger powder half a teaspoon, salt according to our taste, chili powder 2 teaspoons, and whole spices include bay leaves, 4 green cardamom, cinnamon stick, black cardamom, and cumin seeds. And I have added a tablespoon of kasuri methi that I am not showing here for extra flavor. We start with boiling Charwan in water. So I have taken around 1.5 glass of water and added Charwan, and we will keep it on high flame. And here we will add some salt, a pinch of turmeric, and some garlic cloves, and we will bring it to boil. We'll boil it for a few minutes on high flame. This way all the impurities will go away from the lamb liver or Charwan. You can see it's boiling, so I'll try to remove the scum that comes on the surface. So any which ways we have to discard this water. We don't have to use this water. So we'll keep it boiling for a few minutes. You have to boil it for around 7 to 10 minutes, and then we will turn off the flame and we'll let it cool down, and then we have to drain this water. We have to discard this water. Here, as you can see, that it's in the strainer, so I'll wait for it to cool down, then we'll move to the next step. Now the lamb liver or Charwan is completely cool, so at this stage I'll make small pieces. I will chop it. You can do it earlier also, but as some things are habitual that we follow this, that after boiling we chop it, so same is here. So I'll chop it into small pieces. So here is our chopped Charwan. Now moving to next step. Drop oil in a pan. I'll add ginger garlic paste. Here the flame is medium to high, and then we'll be adding all the whole spices. We'll saute them a little, and then we will be adding Charwan to it. We'll give it a mix, and then I'll be adding salt here. We'll add salt and cover it and let it cook. It will release its juice and it will get cooked in them. So here you can see it has released water. So it will get cooked in. So here I have kept flame medium to low. We don't have to keep high, but we have to keep checking in between. So here you can see still water is there. So we have to fry it properly. It will get cooked in this only. Now we'll wait for it to fry properly. It will turn brownish. That means it's fried properly. So once it's fried properly, here you can see only oil is visible and it has turned brown also. So at this stage we'll be adding spices. We'll be adding fennel seed powder, garam masala, saunf powder, dry ginger powder, chili powder, and salt also you can check at this stage. We'll mix them properly. Give them a good mix and then add a tablespoon of water so that the spices won't burn. As you can see, it's almost dry. So at this stage I'll be adding kasuri methi. Kasuri methi is optional, but it really gives a good flavor, as kasuri methi enhances its flavor. So I'll be adding a tablespoon of kasuri methi to it. You can skip it if you don't want, but it really gives a good flavor. And then I'll be adding half a cup of water more. You can add more if you want more gravy, but I'm making it dry, so I'm not adding more water. So here you can see it's ready now. Here flame is on medium, so it depends on you how much gravy you want in it, so that ways you can turn off the flame. So I want it dry, so I'm making dry charwan. Now it's ready, and here you can check the salt also if more salt is needed. Now at this stage I'll turn off the flame and it's ready to be served. Now here you can see our charwan is ready. It tastes scrumptious. Charwan is cooked with many other, it's cooked tangy also, where tamarind is used. I'll be showing you soon the recipe of chuk charwan where tamarind is used. Give this recipe a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.